Now, this battle is known as Battle of Stalingrad, in which the German army were defeated. Now, meanwhile, the US had resisted involvement in the war. Means by that time, the US was not interested in taking part in this Second World War. It was unwilling to once again face all economic problems that the First World War had caused. Yes, whatever the economic losses it had faced during the First World War, the US was not willing to face such economic crisis again in its own country. So that is why it was unwilling to involve in this war. But it could not it could not stay out of the war for long. But it was means the situation created in such a way that Japan was that forced US to uh, participate in war. As Japan was expanding its power in the east, Japan, which is the Asian country, it was extending its power in east. It had occupied French Indochina and was planning attacks on US naval bases in the Pacific. Through some secret agencies, US got the information that Japan has occupied French Indochina, and it had a plan to attack on naval base in US naval base in Pacific. US USA had a naval base in Pacific, that is Pearl Harbor. So it was a planning, and through some secret agencies it came to be known about this planning of Japan. When Japan extended its support to Hitler and bombed the US base at Pearl Harbor, the US entered the Second World War. Yes, when Japan extended means supported Hitler and bombed as US naval base at Pearl Harbor, so it forced US to enter into the war. And with the entry of US in this war came to be known as Second World War. The war ended in because at this time again the whole world was grouped into two. One group was known as Axis power, and another group was known as Allied power. As in 1940, a tripartite pact which was made in between Germany, Italy, and Japan. This tripartite pact countries were known as Axis power during Second World War, and again Britain, France, US, and Russia became the Allied powers during the Second World War. The war ended in May 1945 with Hitler's defeat and the US dropping of the atom bomb on Hiroshima in Japan. Yes, this Second World War ended, which was started with on attack on Poland in 1939. This Second World War ended in May 1945 when Germany was defeated and US dropped an atom bomb on Hiroshima in 1945. Hiroshima, a Japanese city. From this brief account of what happened in the Second World War, we now return to Helmut and his father's story, a story of Nazi criminality during the war. Yes, this was the brief account of First World War. And then after First World War, the effect of First World War, and again the start of the Second World War. And from this story, this incident, again we will come back to the Helmut and its father's story. And in next coming units we will learn about the Nazi criminality, means whatever the crimes made by the Nazi during Second World War, means how they reacted against Jews, how they reacted, what policies they adopted against gypsies or non-Aryan races. So all such things we will learn in next coming units of this chapter. Okay, so for today this chapter is going to end over here. Thank you and have a nice day.